Welcome to DJMT.
Quite great tonight. Welcome now once again to DJMT. We make my daughter to follow us, like, share, subscribe. As I am to bring all the Obonge news they come your way. My people, on today news, I carry entertainment gossip. Can't give on all of us though. This popular ex Big Brother Nigeria that they call Z1. You don't come out to laugh Davido because of what Davido talk during Edo State governorship election. He come out to talk say if he come out for politics as Nigeria president, say he go win now. Now the one come out come dey laugh say even local government Davido no fit win now. Wetin make Davido talk this kind thing? Because if he say if election dey free and fair, he fit win presidential election. The one now don come out to talk say e not fit dey possible for Davido to win presidential election. However, one plan on the video make una hear how e take criticize this judgment wey Davido make.
To type this in, free and fair election in Nigeria, I will be easily elected. You say no. Who they deceive you? Say waiting. No couple body or Davido, no eh? Even the music, say the music never will finish. You say you are politics. Now so Fuki agree you see say I don't do Jennifer 1, Jennifer 2, Jennifer 3, Jennifer the series, Jennifer reloaded. Surya kan, Ayetoro kan, Jennifer. Now so she please say they go let her as deputy. This country, now you the believe fan. You see, oh. You be say, David, now the same fan, you, Rema, Whiskey, Bona, now the same fan, you mean I like all of them. You know that? Now so nice, the other thing, so nice to say they were letter for you. They were not nice to you. Yeah. Free and fair election, first of all, that it shows that you don't even know politics. You have no idea of politics, you don't get social media, maybe they have the account. How you go say free and fair election? In this, you don't ever hear free. That's the number one mistake where you go say you don't say free and fair election. Then where you they see that kind of thing for this Nigeria? How you want to do? Who want conductor? Eh? Say free and fair election. Even if they don't do free and even if they do free and fair, say no cheating. You don't know well. I don't understand. Davido cannot win local government champion. Show me. You know, I don't understand. If na entertainment, if na to trend, if na to cause problem, if na to you sabi that one. But election, nobody, no level for politics, no get level. No go to say now you make consistent governor. Una no money will go down. Not go do that one. No. Your uncle, now all those one are your tweets, nothing. He not get effect. You understand? Oh, you all leave that one. Don't do that. I just listen and say, I'm married, baby. How they don't want to win free and fair? I don't understand. What is he as president of this country or waiting? What you want contest us? For nothing. Oh, you say they know you for nothing. Many people there will not know Davido. Oh, I just cut this thing. Go be like say at the cap. Many people, you don't know how many million. Okay, how many million followers you get? From around the world, oh. Let's even say all your followers are Nigerians. You never get rich, oh. Chat. This one. This is 220 million and counting. You never, all your social media self, you never reach, all of them never reach 40 million. How many are eligible? How many are Nigerians? I mean, most stuff, if we cap, more also they cap. Not they come here, can't they do say this thing. I understand, now your social media bans, but you understand, more they correct ourselves sometimes. Guys, this one I
carry come give una make una do it to follow us, like, share, drop your comment for comment section. Until we come your way again for another news, make una always do it to stay safe. Una do. DJ